Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete Binance account, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to click on menu buttons on in the screen. Now click on your ID. Now in here you'll be able to see security option. Just click on there and scroll a little bit down and you will be able to see manage account option. Click on there. Here you can see two options. Just click on delete account. Now choose the option why you want to delete and finally click on continue, and you'll be able to delete your Binance account. So this is how you can delete your Binance account, and if you still encounter an issue during the deleting process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.